guys, it's Kay, of course. Welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be on this hair that I'm wearing. I was sent this from RPGSHOW hair, so just in case any of you guys are interested, I'm going to go ahead and leave the links down in my description box. But this is like a easy straight out of the straight out of the package application, y'all. When I say I didn't really do anything to this wig but put it on my head, like, let's just hop into this video. If you're interested in this hair, like I said, links will be in my description box, and I'm just going to show you how I apply this wig and everything, and then give you my final thoughts. So if you're interested in seeing how I apply this wig, then just keep on watching. This is what the packaging looks like. This right here, it just tells you that the hair, or the packaging itself, was sanitized. It says disinfected. So if you're not familiar with RPGSHOW, which is a sister site to my first wig, this is what they look like. So when you get your package, it's going to come packaged like this. Your wig comes in this little package. This is what the packaging looks like, and they do give you some flyaway tamer, which is just a wax stick. So when you open it up, you do get a wig cap, and you also just get like the specs of the wig or details on the wig that you ordered. So it just tells you that this is a silky texture. The length is 20 inches. The hair color is the hair color on the picture, which is like it's just like a brown color. The cap size is a 1, which my head is real small. So if you do have a smaller size head, I suggest you getting a size 1. The cap construction is cap B, which is a lace front wig. And then the lace color is tinted transparent Swiss lace, light brown. So now this wig, I can't remember the texture. I think the texture is like a curly texture. Like I said, all the details will be listed in my description box down below. But this is what the wig looks like straight out of the bag. And y'all, I miss this like natural lighting. I haven't filmed in natural lighting in so long. It's crazy. But sorry, my son doing school, so I got, sometimes these teachers be trying to crack slick, y'all. Yeah, so I gotta listen out. But anyway, this is what the wig looks like, and it's just a real pretty brown color. And this is what the hairline is looking like. Hopefully y'all can see that. Now the construction is 2 combs in the front. You have a comb in the back, and you also have your adjustable straps. And they also give you like a little piece of lace in the back. But that's how much lace in the front you get. So that's what we looking like. Yeah, I hope y'all can see that. The hairline is pre-plucked. So I'm not going to do nothing to the hairline or anything. So yeah. And it smells really good. I might wear it in its natural curls. I don't have my water bottle here. I just moved into my new place and everything is not here yet. So I don't know. But we about to finesse. So I'm going to go ahead and try this on first. This is what the hairline is looking like, which is really a nice hairline. And I might actually just wear the curls like they are because they just look so soft and like full and just pretty. I hope y'all seeing this. Is it too much sunlight? Like, I don't know. This color is amazing. I didn't do anything to the hairline. The hairline already came pre-plucked. I can't remember if the knots was bleached, but I didn't need to really bleach the knots. I did add my finishing powder into the part. I feel like these curls are going to be so much more prettier when I wet the hair, but I didn't have my spray bottle hair and I didn't feel like doing the most when it comes to wetting this hair, so I just left it the way it is. But it's really nice. Y'all let me know what y'all think. It is so full. Do y'all see this? And I love the length of this, even though it seems like it's more shorter than 20 inches. I believe they said 20 inches. Yeah, this is supposed to be 20 inches. Oh, I can believe it. Once you stretch it out, it is longer. But yeah, she is really cute. I really wanted to wear, which I probably still do, but I wanted to kind of like put this hair up because I think that it would look so cute with my scrunchie. But yeah, I will style it like that when I wear this wig again. But for the most part, hold on, let me fix myself. Yeah, but for the most part, I never have any complaints about this wig company. Like I said, if you're interested, they are a little pricey. I do give them that. They are a little pricey, but if you want quality, definitely check them out. I really, really love this hair company and this wig. They never disappoint. So yeah, all the links will be in my description box, and I love you guys. I will see you in my next video.